What is up guys, welcome back to the MixedSid channel, and today's mocktail will be the famous Shirley Temple. You cannot go wrong with this mocktail. But if you're new to the channel, welcome to the MixedSid channel. We do cocktails, mocktails and drinks, any of the imagination. So hopefully you'll stick around. But today's video guys, I will be doing two variations of the very famous Shirley Temple. It is named after the famous young actress back in the 1930s. As the history behind it, it was created by a young bartender in the Chasen bar, I think it was, in Beverly Hills. As obviously she was very young at the time, Shirley Temple, and he created this mocktail for her, and I will show you how to do this. So we'll do the classic recipe and a bit more of a modern recipe of it. So first of all, let's do the classic one. For the classic Shirley Temple recipe, guys, just pour in 5 ml of Grenadine. Right, next up, just fill it up now with ginger ale. So fill it up right to the top near enough. A bit more. There we go. And then just add a little bit of that fresh lime juice, pour in about 5 ml. There we go. Right, the next thing to do guys is just give it a stir to mix it in. So get your spoon and just stir it. There you go, as you can see guys, it's got a nice red colour. Right, next is the modern one. Right, for the modern recipe guys, 5 ml again of Grenadine. This time top up with Sprite. You can use any sort of soda. Or for an English audience, lemonade. And again, 5 ml of lime juice. Right, and again give it a light stir to mix it in. Right, add your sugar. Right, on this side is the classic one. You can see it's a little bit of a darker red than the modern one with the Sprite, so that is the ginger ale. And the final thing to do guys is add a maraschino to garnish both of them. But saying there you go, it's nice and simple to make the Shirley Temple. It's nice and quick and it's very refreshing. Right, and there we go guys, 2 Shirley Temples, the classic one and the modern one. How did it taste? We'll do the classic one first. Ah. Because if you like ginger ale, you'll like it, but it is a very sweet mocktail. I really do like the Shirley Temple. And now for the modern day one, how does this taste? Any different with the Sprite? Again, it's a very refreshing mocktail, because it's certainly lovely, but I think my favourite is still the classic one, as I do prefer ginger ale to Sprite, just about. But that guys is the Shirley Temple, the classic recipe and the modern day. I hope you enjoyed the video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid if you wish to see more mocktails, as it really does help the channel grow. For the next mocktail guys, I will be doing the Alan Shearer's, because I had this in York and I want to make my version of it. It's certainly very nice that I had in York and I would highly recommend it. And I will see you for the Alan Shearer mocktail. Cheers.